Chevrolet Equinox General Repairs. Chevrolet, colloquially referred to as Chevy and formerly the Chevrolet division of General Motors Company, is an American automobile division of the American manufacturer General Motors. The 2020 Chevrolet Equinox is an agreeable and practical compact SUV, but it lacks the charm of our favorite crossovers. Two turbocharged engines are available, a somewhat anemic 1.5-liter and a smooth and gutsy 2.0-liter, and either one can be paired with front or all-wheel drive. A host of driver assistance features are standard, including automated emergency braking, and the Equinox comes with all of the infotainment goodies we expect in a modern SUV. Average drivers will find the Equinox's car-like ride and handling perfectly acceptable, but driving enthusiasts will be better served by the sharper Honda CR-V or the downright sporty Mazda CX-5. Servicing a Chevrolet Equinox involves regular maintenance and occasional repairs to keep the vehicle running smoothly. Here are some common maintenance tasks and service items you should consider for your Chevrolet Equinox. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining the engine's health. Chevrolet typically recommends changing the oil and oil filter every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. But check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific recommendations. Tire rotation. Rotating your tires helps ensure even wear and extends their lifespan. It's generally recommended every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are vital for safety. Have the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid checked during routine maintenance. Air filter replacement. A clean air filter is essential for engine efficiency. Depending on driving conditions, you may need to replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Cabin air filter. The cabin air filter keeps the interior air clean. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or as needed. Transmission service. Check your owner's manual for the recommended transmission service interval, which may include changing the transmission fluid and filter. Coolant flush. Cooling system maintenance is crucial for preventing engine overheating. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for coolant replacement, which is typically around every 60,000 miles. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs as recommended by Chevrolet, often around 100,000 miles. But check the owner's manual for specific guidelines. Battery check. Have the battery tested to ensure it's in good condition, and replace it when necessary. Wheel alignment. Periodic wheel alignments help maintain tire wear and handling performance. Suspension and steering inspection. Regularly check and maintain the suspension and steering components for optimal handling and safety. Exhaust system inspection. Keep an eye on the exhaust system for leaks, rust, or damage that may affect emissions or safety. Check engine light. If the check engine light comes on, have it diagnosed and repaired promptly to prevent further damage. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule as outlined in the owner's manual. This includes services like timing belt replacement if applicable and other vital maintenance tasks. Recalls and service bulletins. Stay informed about any recalls or service bulletins related to your Chevrolet Equinox. Visit a Chevrolet dealership for any necessary recall or warranty-related work. Tire replacement. As your tires wear out, replace them with the recommended tire size and type. Fluid checks. Regularly inspect and top up fluids, including windshield washer fluid, power steering fluid, and brake fluid. Safety system inspection. Ensure that safety systems like airbags, seat belts, and anti-lock brakes are functioning properly.